Kia ora koutou. Here we're going to focus on how to write 3/4 and 3/5 in Te Reo Māori. As in the previous video, when you have 1/4 or 1/5, any fraction that has a 1 as the tuarunga, it is said as hau and whatever the tauraro was. So, for instance, if it was 1/4, it would be hau wha. If it was 1/5, it would be hau wha. Right now, we're going to focus on now if the taurunga is a different number other than 1, then that will be said as this 3/4, as in 3/4, would now be toru ki te hau wha. The 3/5 would be toru ki te hau rima. So once again, if you want to say this in te reo, it would be toru ki te hau wha. So tērā taku nei here, that's what I want, is you to rewrite these equations in the correct way in te reo Māori. Kia ora.